How to send scheduled messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram application on your device and then launch the Instagram application on your device again. Now make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. After that, tap on the DM section over here at the top right corner and select on the account where you want to send the message to. Now just tap on the message box and type in your regular message. Now you can just schedule this message. Now generally when you want to send the message, we tap on the send button. Now if you want to schedule the messages, you can simply make the message ready and then make a long press on the send button. This will give you this option of schedule message over here where you can send this message in a particular time. So I'm going to select over here and then tap on send tomorrow over here at certain time. Tap on it and there you go. You have scheduled a message over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.